Yo guys, what is up? We are back with another video today. I hope all of you guys are doing good, and I hope all of you guys are doing great. Today's video has been several months in the making. I've been planning this, I've been waiting for this to happen, and it is finally here. If you guys remember back in December, I believe, I made a video called buying the cheapest sneakers from every single sneaker brand, and I bought the cheapest sneakers from every single sneaker brand. The sneakers weren't good. They were really bad. I mean, we did get a pair of Converse All-Stars in there. We got like a sort of okay pair of Nikes, but by and large, the sneakers were trash. But you guys really seem to enjoy that video. So fast forward a few months and I wanna do the complete opposite. Take a total 180 and do the most expensive sneakers you can buy from every single sneaker brand. So this process started a week and a half ago when I hopped on my computer, started doing some research, hopped on Adidas, hopped on Nike, all of the sneaker websites. Okay, let's just pause right here. It didn't actually take that much research or work. I just basically clicked sort highest to lowest price, and then I bought the most expensive pair of shoes. I had two rules for this challenge. Number one was the sneaker had to be a sneaker. No boots, no cleats, no athletic footwear that you couldn't wear out and about, no shoes that you could only wear when you were hiking. They had to be sneakers. And number two, they had to be available in my size 12. Besides that, I just hopped on every single major sneaker brand's websites, bought the most expensive pair of sneakers they had available, and I was really curious to see what we were gonna get because you expect amazing shoes if you're gonna be paying a lot of money. I paid up to 550 Canadian, which is around 420 US dollars for one of these shoes. We finally got the sneakers in the mail though from every single brand that I ordered them from. I am so excited to open these up and share with you guys what the most expensive sneakers from every single sneaker brand are. So the first pair of shoes that we have is actually from Vans, and I mean, Vans is notoriously cheap. They don't really have the $300, $400 sneakers. They don't really have that many shoes that even resell. I think there was the Vans Fear of Gods, but besides that, I mean, Vans are 60, 70 bucks, and that's about as expensive as they get. But on the Vans website, I did find a pair of Vans that cost $135 Canadian, so around $100 US, which is pretty expensive for Vans. And I have to say, I don't know how I feel about these. There's more expensive boots and there's more expensive custom Vans that you can make online. But in terms of ready-to-order sneakers, this right here is the most expensive shoe that Vans offers. This model right here, Vans is calling these the Vans Varics. This is like a dad shoe. This is straight up a dad shoe. This is straight up something my dad would wear. My dad is on a trip in Africa right now, and he would probably be hiking around the bush in these. Would I buy these if I saw them in a store? Absolutely not. Would I buy these if I wasn't doing this challenge? Absolutely not. But the great part of this video is that I'm actually going to be giving away one of these sneakers to you guys. All we need to do is hit 2,000 likes on this video, and I'll be choosing one of you guys in the comment section below. All you need to do is hit the like button, follow me on Instagram at TomStefaniak, and let me know which pair of sneakers you'd like to win, as well as commenting your Instagram name on this video. In a couple of weeks, if we hit 2,000 likes, I'll pick a winner and DM you on Instagram, and you can win any of the shoes you see in today's video. I doubt you're gonna be picking these ones though. I don't know. Vans, I love you. You make awesome shoes, but the Vans Varics, not my cup of tea. Boys, this is a piece of life advice here. If you've ever been at a crossroads in life, because I know we've all been there, where you're debating between two choices. Should I take $550 of my hard-earned cash and light it on fire? Or should I spend $550 of my hard-earned cash on the most expensive shoes that Adidas sells on their website? My advice would just be light it on fire, because this has to be the worst sneaker I've ever seen for $550. This is from Adidas, $550 Canadian. So let's say $400 US for a pair of Raf Simmons Adidas. Now, if you know anything about Raf Simmons, he can get pretty funky with the designs. He does some interesting, unique stuff. Before I open the box, I just want to warn you guys, these are absolutely horrendous, and if you have small children watching, please ask them to avert their eyes. Oh my god, these look even worse in person. Oh no, Adidas. Why, Adidas? Why? Some of these high fashion shoes I just don't understand, and this would be one of them. If some of you guys think this looks great, then that's awesome. All power to you. Put together a sick fit and rock these things. But me, maybe I'm missing something? It's like all chromed out, pink. You guys ever had astronaut ice cream in like elementary school? That's what that reminds me of. It just looks like strawberry. And then you got a Converse Chuck Taylor low on top of this. And it's heavy too, it's really heavy. Like this shoe, just one shoe weighs like 2 pounds. So you have an extra 4 pounds on your feet and it looks like this and you have like hard plastic chrome digging into you. Oh boy, $550. You make some amazing sneakers. You make some really, really nice sneakers. I love tons of your models. But if you're charging $550 for this, yeah, that is all I'm gonna say about those. Finally, a nice pair of shoes. We are on to Nike, specifically Jordan, and this is the one I was most excited for. I mean, the Adidas, but these are sick. I'm honestly surprised that Nike was not selling a more expensive pair of shoes. These were only, I believe, 370 Canadian dollars after tax, which is around 320, let's say, US dollars. So not crazy expensive. They had some soccer cleats that were expensive. They had some snowboarding boots that were expensive. I love this box. This is the box that the Union LA ones come in, and basically all the cool special release and collaborative Jordans have been coming in this box lately, and I think it looks really, really nice. But without further ado, let's crack these open. Ooh, look at that black paper. This is fancy packaging. I haven't seen these in person, actually. This is the first time I'm ever going to be seeing these. Oh, wow. I didn't even know this was, oh, wow. Wow, this is so cool. Check out the materials on these, the pony hair, the snakeskin, the colors. This is like really just a Sacramento Kings colorway. Shout out to the Sacramento Kings, by the way. You guys don't suck anymore, but this is a beautifully done pair of shoes. This is coming right after the infrared 6s dropped. It's basically the same color scheme, except instead of the infrared, you just have the purple. Otherwise, it's an all black shoe, but they went nuts on the materials here. I love this. This is, in my opinion, 100% worth the $370 price tag. I would spend this if I was just regularly shopping and I saw these in store. Didn't start off that hot with the first couple of brands, but Nike and Jordan, you are definitely bringing us back. So next up, we got a pair of Under Armours. I actually didn't order these online because I went on their website, I looked at what sneakers they were selling, and I noticed that their most expensive pair of sneakers was something I already owned and I wasn't about to buy it twice. This is the most expensive pair of shoes that they have, the Under Armour Hovers. I don't know what the exact specific model name is, except this is the first shoe that they put out, I believe, last fall that was using the hover technology, and I mean, I think it's a great looking shoe. I think this is pretty solid. I mean, that's basically what Under Armour does. I wasn't expecting to buy a lifestyle shoe from Under Armour. I'm honestly surprised. I thought the most expensive sneakers first off would be way more expensive. I was expecting to spend $500 at each website. Not the case. And then I thought they would all be a lot more like sneakers I'd never heard of, I guess, like just some very expensive performance model that I had never heard of. But no, it's just like sort of regularly priced shoes that actually look pretty good. We were on a bit of a hot streak there. Nice pair of Nikes, nice pair of Under Armours. This is the shoes I bought from Reebok. On the website, these are $360. I just checked. They put them on clearance now for only $90. So they went $360 down to $90 because no one is buying these because they look weird. Okay, here's the moment of truth. I'm gonna pull back the paper, eyes closed. Let's pull this shoe out of the box for you guys. I haven't seen these yet. How bad? Oh no. Oh no. These are not the Balenciagas, but they are the ones that look like socks. These are, who's paying $360 for these? So these are called the Reebok sock runners, and let me tell you, they got the name right with that. You know what? I don't even know if I hate these anymore. I just feel sort of bad for them. I do not know. Oh my, I mean, they're really comfortable. I'm gonna tuck my pants in and just go for that. They are real, oh wow, these are really comfortable. These are, I mean, they look absolutely ridiculous. I look like a fool right now. What do they look like if I put my pants over top of them? Yeah, they look even worse if I put my pants over top of them. This is the strangest pair of shoes I've ever seen in my life. It's literally not even a shoe. There's no support. It is just a sock. But just standing here, I mean, these are comfortable. Okay, to be honest, I don't know any practical application for these, but if I didn't care what I looked like, I would wear these every day. I mean, I could see someone pulling these off now. I'm gonna take back my previous mean statements. These things are really unique. Let's go with unique. You guys are probably gonna roast me for saying this, except I actually sort of dig these in a weird way. I would never wear these, but if I saw some guy in the street that could pull these off, I'd be like, dude, respect to you, these things look sick. Like, they look like ninja shoes. I mean, instead of spending $360 on these though, I would rather just fork out the extra cash and get the legit Balenciaga ones. But now that they're on sale for 90 Canadian, 65, 70 US, I think that is a freaking good price if you guys want to pick these up. I mean, it's an interesting looking pair of shoes. You'll 100% get noticed. Would I wear them? Absolutely not. But do I think they're cool? Sort of. So those are the 5 pairs of sneakers from the 5 major sneaker brands that I chose to go with. They're the most expensive sneakers you can buy on their website right now, and honestly, I'm a little bit surprised. We got some awesome shoes in the Nikes, in the Under Armours, we got some interesting shoes in the Reeboks and Vans, and then the Adidas. Once again, we are not going to talk about those. Let me know which one your favorite was down in the comments section below. And as always, make sure to enter that giveaway, comment your Instagram, follow me on Instagram, hit that like button, and just let me know which pair of shoes you would want to win. And of course, they will be in your size. And make sure to come back tomorrow for some brand new content. That being said, I love you guys. Have a great rest of your day. And until next time, peace. Look who I found across the street. We got Eric and Tommy. Eric's coming back from Foot Locker. I don't know what they're doing here. Time for incredibly illegal jaywalking. Nice jacket.